Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to detect a hidden camera around you. Whenever you go to an unknown place, there might be a hidden camera which is recording your activities, or someone may trap you, or you may get in trouble. So in this video I am going to show you how you can find a hidden camera by only your mobile phone. Here I have a camera, let me show you. Here I have a wired camera. Let us find this app works or not. Watch the video till the end and be secure. Let's go to the mobile screen. To find a hidden CCTV camera, you have to go to the Play Store. Let's go to the Play Store and search for CCTV camera detector. Here you will find a lot of applications, but open this one. This app has 19,000 review and 3.8 ratings, and it has 5 million plus downloads. Install this. And after installing, open the app. Here there is an agreement. Tap on I agree, and here you will find a lot of features of this app. Here you can find detect wired camera, detect infrared camera, detect wireless camera, lens detector, tips and tricks, and many things. In this room I have a wired camera, so let's check this app works or not. Tap on detect wired camera, and here you will find the score is showing 31. If there is a hidden camera, this score will be more than 50. Now we have to move around the room to find the hidden camera. You can see I am moving. Here the score is over 50, and you can see it's increasing. You can see here the app has detected a small electronics. Go to the other side of the room. Here we can see this app is not able to detect anything. And go to the camera side again. Here you will find the score is 70 plus. By this way you can find a hidden camera around you, which will make you more secure. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.